Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an Olight M2R Pro Warrior. Now this here is a deliberate tactical operation, and it also is a limited edition. Now I got this because I really wanted to have this particular style on the body. Was really wanting this, and was able to get this from a member in my Facebook group. Comes in this box. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the specs. As you can see there, puts out 1800 lumens on turbo. Now if you need more time to read those, pause your screen, otherwise we're going to open it up, see what's in. Got the message here from Olight. Now this here is letting you know that you want to remove the protection piece from the battery before you attempt to charge it or use it for the first time. And we'll open up this here. And we've got one lanyard. Now Olights tend to be a little small on the lanyards, so take the rest of this out, and you get one USB magnetic charging cable, and we have one user manual. Nice detailed. It is a little on the small side, so just letting you know ahead of time. Multi languages. Alright, and the light already comes in its holster, which is really nice. Now the holsters here from Olight have all been really nice quality. Some of the best that you can get, especially they're coming with their light, so that's another big plus. Got the Olight badge here, D-ring, got the double stitched material, got a quick release one here too if you want to take that one off. But if you want the more of a durable hold on the side of you, definitely want to use both. As you can see here, it's got a nice quick release. To open that up, there's no Velcro, so that's a plus. Now if you put the light downward or upward, this will let you know that the light is on, and also hopefully alert someone else to let you know, hey, you've left your flashlight on. So top notch on these holsters from Olight, and that's a really nice added benefit for their lights. And there it is. Tail clicky, side switch, and it does stick out past the body a little bit. Now you've got the clip on here. It's a two-way clip. If you want to put it on a baseball cap, you can. A little heavy, but you can. Now I like this finish. It's a smooth, glossy finish. Some of my other camo lights, they're kind of a flat finish on those. This here is the charging port, just like that. This will turn red when charging, green when finished. No matter where you have it on a table, if you go out sideways, it'll make a good connection every time. It's got that strike bezel on there, and that really looks sharp. Now, I had done a review on this on just a standard black one, but I really wanted to get this one out so people could see this, because it really is a conversation piece. Style and design on this is very nice. Easily carry it in your hand, and the machining and finish on this is excellent. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the special optics. This is running the Cree XHP35 high LED. Try to get a close-up of that. Now this is going to provide a huge hotspot, and the spill area will taper off. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you the insides of the light. Straight contact point on the tail. Here's the protection piece they want you to remove from this. And here is the Olight 21700 cell, 5000 milliamp. This is a protected cell. This is a 20 amp cell. Should add plenty of power to this light, whatever it needs, and give you good run times. Proprietary battery. Now there is a spring down inside of the head, so now we're going to go ahead and put the battery back in. Well greased threads. So we're going to go ahead and get this ready. Now let's go over the UI. Now the UI is pretty straightforward. You have the tactical end here, and you've got the side switch. Side switch gives you more light outputs. Alright, so we're going to go over the tail switch first, and we're going to go half press that. Shows you the beam there. It's going to be a huge hotspot on that, and the spill area, as you can see, just tapers off, fades off. See my hand there? Now if you full press that all the way, that will give you the highest output on this light. A lot of light coming out of there. Click that fully to turn it off. You can pressure switch this if you want to just press and hold and release on both levels. You can hold it in, release. Same goes for the lower level, and you can release that. Alright, so now we're going to go over the side switch, and what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold to turn that on. Comes on the lowest level this light has, and then from here we're going to go ahead, and from here you're going to go ahead, press and hold to go through those additional light outputs. That's the highest output there, and it drops back down. Now moonlight is not part of the regular UI, so just letting you know from off, you have to press and hold in order to get that. Now we're going to go ahead and from any light level you can double click to get the highest output turbo, and then you're going to triple click the side switch, 1, 2, 3, to get strobe. And that is a constant speed on the strobe, and that is distracting. Now you can press and hold to go back to the last light output that you had it on. This does have memory mode. You now can just click it one time to turn it off on the side switch. And that's all there is to this UI. Really super easy to use. Have both tactical and everyday carry. In my opinion, it's great to have it all in one light if you want to carry it, or if you want to carry it this way. Alright, so again, solid build quality. Really like the optics on this light. Really helps out in projecting that beam. One of the better ones in my opinion, especially for an everyday carry light. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Olight M2R Pro Warrior. It's the Camo. So let's get started. I'm going to press and hold that. It's the lowest light level. See how large that hotspot is? That is 5 feet from where I'm standing. That's 12 feet. See, it tapers off after that. Probably about 15 feet. Not bad. So now we're going to go to the next level. See how it does. There's the hotspot on the fence. Give you an idea how large it is. And it is making that tree. That's 65 feet from where I'm standing. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Alright, let's go to the next level, see how it does. Spill has come alive here a little bit. Now you can see how large that hotspot is. Spill tapers off, no sharp cutoff. And it is faintly making the tree of life. 138 feet from where I'm standing to there. We're going to go to the next level here, see how it does. Spill has come alive. Faintly making it across to the school there. And there's the famous tree of life. Tree line, fence line. See how large that hotspot is. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Behind my hand here, do a beam profile. Spill tapers off, so there's no strong cutoff. Making those trees way out there in the distance past the baseball field. Now it is making that tree behind the tree of life, 138 feet That's 238 feet from where I'm standing. We'll do a before and after here. Impressive beam performance. You will not lose track of any animal with this hotspot. Making it across the park to those playgrounds. 2 of them over there. And there's Turbo. Look at that. Crazy bright. Lighting up the park. Playgrounds over there lit up like it's daytime. Now I'm holding it high above the camera and give you an idea. Look at that. Incredible. Making the school there, even with their lights on. It is making the first palm tree, but not, well, faintly maybe the second one. Do a before and after here. Incredible. Little pocket rockets, what I call them. Look at that, all the way, almost to me, to my feet, all the way out there, way out to the sides. All right, still got good power. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Everything about this light is excellent. Really like the way they did this camo on here. Really a nice way to start a conversation. Really like the performance on this. I was very impressed with the previous one I had done. Now this is identical to the other one that I had done. The only difference is the body. But I wanted to take this outside, show you guys how well it does. Really, as a reminder to you, this is a top-notch built light. I don't see any issues with this at all. Especially this here is really a 2 thumbs up for me. I've really enjoyed this. Definitely going to be keeping this and using this regularly. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Olights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.